Hey there everybody, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel. If it's your first time, thank you for stopping by. Today we are in New Braunfels, Texas, because it is the 4th of July and we are going to a parade, and then we're also exploring downtown New Braunfels. So Chaz has picked out some places for us that we're gonna go to, so come along with this little vlog of what we're gonna do today. I'll show y'all around. I think the first stop we're gonna stop is right over here, this coffee place. What is it called? Wait, what is it called?
Kenner.
Kenner. So we're gonna go into Kenner, get some coffee.
He's gonna take your. It's okay. Yeah.
Ooh, they use onyx. Excuse me. All right, after walking around and getting some coffee in there, it's literally just like a 3-bedroom house, and it was made into a coffee shop. So that's pretty cool. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy a coffee shop. I'm gonna buy a house and turn it into a coffee shop.
It was, yeah.
In Chas fashion, we found a farmer's market, coffee, and Jesus in front of a church.
They have peaches over here.
Peaches. We gotta come back because we're late to the.
I told them we would come back.
Late to the parade, so let's go. By the way, Brinley had to use the restroom, so we ended up going to the New Braunfels Convention Center, and it was open. So if you're ever in a pinch and you're around here, it might be open. Try it. The parade is in this direction, but I guess that was a little farmer's market. This is the actual farmer's market. So maybe that farmer's market was something that they just do outside of their church, and this is the actual farmer's market. We're gonna come back and come over here because we're a little bit late. The parade has started, so we're gonna walk over here and get to the parade.
Hi guys! Look at that big duck.
All right, parade's over. We have made our way to the farmer's market. Okay, so we made it into a Christmas store, and look, I want to start doing this Harry Potter Christmas Village, or Christmas Village in general. Look at all these. This is what I want to start doing. And then that's a Dementor, not a ghost. You can't touch. You can't touch. Anyway, this is probably open all year round, and you can get some ornaments all year round.